Ever wondered what makes pineapple a tropical treasure? Could it be its sweet, tangy flavor, or perhaps the way it effortlessly adds a burst of sunshine to any dish? While these qualities are certainly delightful, what truly sets the pineapple apart is its impressive array of health benefits. Firstly, pineapples are a powerhouse of essential vitamins and minerals. They are rich in vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that helps protect the body against free radicals. These harmful molecules can lead to a host of health problems, including heart disease and cancer. By regularly consuming foods high in antioxidants like pineapple, one can help fortify the body's defenses against these diseases. Moreover, this tropical fruit is an excellent source of manganese, a mineral that plays a vital role in bone health. Regular consumption of pineapple can contribute to strong and healthy bones, which is particularly beneficial as one ages and bone density naturally decreases. Next, pineapples contain an enzyme known as bromelain. This unique compound has been linked to a number of health benefits, including reduced inflammation and improved digestion. Bromelain can help break down proteins, aiding in the digestive process, and it's also been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties, which can be beneficial for people with conditions like arthritis. Further, pineapples are high in fiber, which can aid in digestive health. A diet high in fiber can help prevent constipation and promote regular bowel movements. Plus, fiber-rich foods like pineapple can help you feel full for longer, which can be beneficial for weight management. Lastly, the hydration benefits of pineapples should not be overlooked. With a high water content, this juicy fruit can help keep you hydrated, which is essential for overall health. Proper hydration can help maintain healthy skin, aid in digestion, and even boost energy levels. So, let's recap. From its rich supply of antioxidants and essential minerals to its unique enzyme bromelain and high fiber content, pineapple truly earns its status as a tropical treasure. And let's not forget its hydrating benefits. Consuming this fruit can help bolster your body's defenses against disease, promote bone and digestive health, aid in weight management, and keep you hydrated. In short, the humble pineapple is more than just a tasty treat. It's a tropical powerhouse packed with an array of health benefits that can contribute to overall wellness. So the next time you're looking for a nutritious and delicious addition to your diet, consider the pineapple. It's not just a burst of sunshine on your plate, but a bounty of health benefits in every bite.